Finding a transaction you previously hid in Revolut can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack because the app intentionally removes it from your main feed to keep things organized. If you are scouring your transaction history and coming up empty, don't worry, the data isn't actually deleted or gone forever. I'm going to show you exactly how to pull up those invisible entries in just a few taps. Stick around until the end of the video, because I will also share a specific trick for organizing your transactions that keeps your feed clean without you ever having to hide a single thing again, which is going to save you a lot of manual searching in the future. The reason these transactions disappear is pretty straightforward. Revolut designed the hide feature for people who want to declutter their main screen, or maybe keep certain gifts or private purchases away from prying eyes if they are showing someone their phone. When you hide a transaction, you aren't deleting the record from the bank's ledger. You are simply putting a digital mask over it. It's like putting a specific receipt into a secret folder instead of leaving it on the kitchen counter. The app hides it from the visual interface, but the financial record stays exactly where it belongs for legal and accounting reasons. To actually see these hidden items, you have to look outside the standard scrolling list. Start by opening your Revolut app and making sure you are on the main home screen, where you usually see your balance. Look for the three small dots or the button labeled More right next to your recent activity. Once you tap that, you need to look for the option labeled Statement. This is the secret doorway to seeing everything. When you enter the Statement section, you aren't just looking at the app's interface anymore. You are looking at the official financial documents. Now, you need to select the specific month when that hidden transaction took place. If you aren't sure of the date, you might need to generate a few different ones. Once you select the month, tap on the Generate button. Revolut will then compile a full PDF document of every single cent that moved in or out of your account during that period. This document is sent directly to the email address you have linked to your Revolut account. Open your email, download that PDF, and scroll through the entries. Every hidden transaction will be listed there in plain text, because a bank statement must show a complete history regardless of what you've chosen to hide in the app's visual feed. Since you now know how to find those hidden records, here is the pro tip I promise to help you manage your money better. Instead of hiding things and losing track of them, start using the Pockets feature for specific expenses.